long ride from Summertown to here. So what I would say it is many rivers to cross, but I can't seem to find my way over. Wandering, I've been lost as I traveled along the white cliffs of Dover. Many rivers to cross, and it's only my will that kept me alive. I've been licked, washed up for years, and I merely survived because of my pride. And this loneliness wouldn't leave me alone. Oh, what a drag to be on your own. My woman left and she didn't say why. Well, I guess I had to cry. Many rivers I've crossed, but just where to begin? I'm playing for time. There've been times I found myself thinking of committing some dreadful crime. You see that? Love is my foundation. Wisdom is my capital. Struggle is my manner. Yes, sir. Sorrow is my companion. Love is my foundation. True love is my foundation. That's how I got over many rivers I've crossed. And it was so hard to find my way over. Wandering, I've been lost as I traveled along the white cliffs of Dover. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Radio Lily's first broadcast.